Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to email a clickable link on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, and a link that we will be inserting into the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to New Email, click on Mail. Let's now increase the size of the email window. Let us now select a recipient, which will be Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Subject will be link. Now let's go into the email and type Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the link below. And we will be inserting the link. So let's now type Computer Science Videos. And then kind regards. From the admin. Now let's go to a brand new desktop. Go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Let's now go to top right corner, go to YouTube Studio, and we want to extract the link for our channel. Let's now go to customization. Let's now go to the bottom where we can take and extract the custom URL. Link copy to clipboard. Let's now quit Safari, go back to our email, and let's highlight Computer Science Videos, right click, or let's go to insert a link, insert link, Command V to paste, OK, and we can see that this Computer Science Videos has now become a clickable link. So we can now, let's just say, send this to the recipient. Let's now go to the sent items. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the link below. Computer Science Videos, kind regards, admin. Let's just click on that clickable link, and this will take us directly to the YouTube channel that was inserted into the email. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.